I recently just renovated my lawn. This is about a little over 2 weeks since I've seeded, and as you can see, I used some of the pine straw, not pine straw, some of that hay that you can get in Home Depot, so that I can, since it's on a hill, I just wanted to control some of the erosion that occurred. As you can see right here, some of the seeds washed away. So it did help a lot. I knew going into it the sort of negative aspects of putting down hay, one of which is, as you've probably read, weed seeds and other crop seeds that are introduced into the lawn. And I have evidence right here of what it looks like. So if you look carefully right here, I pulled this out of the lawn today. This is a barley or wheat seed that was in one of the pods that we're throwing the lawn, and it just grew right on top of the soil without it even being inside the dirt. So it's just to show that you know, this stuff, it works great, but it also can introduce all sorts of weird things into your lawn. So I pulled this guy out because it was easy. Yeah, there he is. Here I found a more extreme example. Here is the actual pod, and as you can see right here, it's growing right out of the pod. Let's see if I can get this to focus. Come on. There it is. So this is crazy. This wasn't even in the ground. This is just sitting on the top.